It's Nye and welcome to my world. I have a review. Today it's TGIN Daily Buttercream and the TGIN Twist and Define Cream. I bought these because I see a lot of reviews, and as a natural hair community, we're always into the new things. We're always looking for the new products that can help us get whether it's curl achievement or the length achievement, whatever it is we're trying to get for our hair. So with my hair, the problem is that my hair is so soft that it won't hold a style. So when I searched online to see different products that would help with definition or control, these came up. So I decided to try them out. They were about $15 each before tax, which was kind of pricey, but I was hoping that, usually you get what you pay for. So I was hoping that if I paid a little bit more, maybe they would give me what I was looking for, which was the definition and the hold. The Daily Cream Moisturizer, it smells very sweet. It smells kind of like mango lime type of scent, but it smells very good. Like when you put it in your hair, the smell lingers, and it really just aromatherapy to the gods. When it comes to hold, I don't get much hold from this. When I first undo my twists, it will give me a little bit of hold, but eventually it kind of falls flat. It could be, like I said, because my hair doesn't really hold a style for long. I can't, the 3-day, 4-day twist out doesn't apply in my book. It's today and that's it. Tomorrow I have to retwist. So when it comes to this, it makes your hair very soft. I kind of use it more on my daughter's hair when I braid it and cornrow it. It makes it very soft, very moisturized. When you take out the braids, it's still very soft. It has great slip, and it really works for those type of things. When it comes to the Twist and Define Cream, I was kind of disappointed. When you touch it, it's very sticky, like it has some type of filmy feel on your fingers. When you put it in your hair, to me it flakes. It says to make sure it's really wet, but to me, when I did it in wet, when I did it dry, when I did it damp, when I did it blown out, it flakes uncontrollably. If I put any other product with this, it's horrible. The smell is not as nice as the buttercream, but it does have like a, I don't know, it smells like kind of like gluish. I don't know how to describe it. It's a weird scent as opposed to this one, but I wouldn't purchase this one again. The only upside to this is that if you do it in damp hair and you don't fully allow your twists to dry and you kind of unravel them but like maybe at 80%, it gives you beautiful curls. I'll say the upside to this is it does leave your hair a little moisturized, but for me, if I really want to get this, I would just get this, because to me it does the same thing with less flaking. So if I were to say, if you really wanted to buy any, I would first try the Buttercream Daily Moisturizer before I do the Twist and Define Cream, because I feel like with this one you get less flakes. This one you're bound for flakes. If any of you have used this and you haven't flaked, tell me what you did. Give me some type of suggestions to see, because I really want to like this product, especially since I paid $15 for it and I have like that much left. I really don't want to waste this. So tell me, give me some advice, give me some tips. Let me know how to save my money and not lose it. So until next review, guys, thank you for sharing. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching the video. Give me some feedback. Let me know what else you guys want to see. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.